Hello everyone, welcome to MZSquare. This is Laxmi Mittal, your mathematics and mindfulness coach. Today we are going to learn integration in a very simple and easy way. First of all, what is an integration? What is integration? Integration is reverse process of differentiation. Integration is reverse process of differentiation. Yeah, this is very easy. Differentiation we have done in chapter 5 of 12th NCERT and application of derivatives we have done. Now integration is reverse process. Suppose if fx is known, you can find f prime x. But what if you know f prime x? Are you able to find its function? What I have said, if fx is known, you can find f prime x. And f prime x means a derivative, right? And if f prime x is known to you, given to you, is known, can we find its function? Answer for this question is yes. And the process by which we can find the fx is known as integration. Take an example. If we need to find differentiation of x to the power 4, what will be it? Yes, it will be 4x cubed. If we need to find differentiation of x to the power 4 plus 1, what will be it? It will be 4x cubed plus 0. If we need to find differentiation of x to the power 4 plus root 3, then it will be again 4x cubed plus 0. So if I am making it generalized, then the differentiation of x to the power 4 plus c is also 4x cubed, because differentiation of c, where what is the c here? C is a constant. This belongs to real number. So this is any real number. If c is any real number, then differentiation of x to the power 4 plus c will be 4x cubed only. So यहाँ से we are getting an important point, that is differentiation of x to the power 4 plus c is 4x cubed. So what is it? This is the derivative. This is 4x cubed is derivative. And what is x to the power 4? This is the function. Let us assume we are taking it as fx, and x to the power 4 we are taking as capital Fx. So what we can write it here? We can write the differentiation of f plus c is fx. So here we are going to clear this point that fx is antiderivative. Then what is its derivative? This is antiderivative fx, and fx plus c is its antiderivative. If you know derivative, then you can find antiderivative fx plus c. And the presence of this c, because this c is a real number, it is making it as an indefinite. So c is any arbitrary real number. due to the presence of c, this is called indefinite integration. What is the sign of integration? Integral dx, this is the sign of integration. By taking integration both the side, the process is known as integration, right? Fx plus c is, I have taken both the side integration. So you can assume like differentiation and integration are the reverse process of each other. These are getting cancelled from each other, means differentiation and integration. So what you are going to get? Integration या integral of fx dx is capital Fx plus. This is your answer. So this way, integration of fx dx is c. So due to the presence of c, it is indefinite integration because you may have infinite many antiderivatives. As the c value of c is going to change, you can put it plus 1, plus 2, -1, -2, root 5, root 6, any value it can have. Therefore, you can have infinite many antiderivatives. So antiderivative is not unique in nature. तो यहीं से हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आता है, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन इज देयर. मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव said that this is indefinite integration. So types of integration are basically two. Number one is indefinite integration and number two is definite integration. Indefinite integration is the only one जिसमें plus c हमारे पास solution करके आएगा. ना indefinite integration, if you are integrating any function within the limit a to b, then you will get a definite value. Therefore, that integration will be called definite integration. Now you have understood what is integration and what are the types of integration. Now we are going to learn very simple basic formulas. Are you ready? Yes. So formula 1, basic formulas, right? Formula 1. What is your formula 1? If you need to find integration of x raised to the power n dx, as it is a reverse process of differentiation, here x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This will be the integration. As a differentiation of x की power n is n x की power n minus 1. In differentiation, one power is going to be decreased and we are going to multiply with n. Here, one power is going to be increased and we are dividing it with the increased power. X की power n plus 1 upon x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. C is very important to put. This is the sign of whenever you are going to find indefinite, आपको c लिखना ही लिखना है. For example, if we are going to find integration of x raised to the power 5 into dx, then the integration is x raised to the power 6 on 6 plus c. Okay. Now rule number 2. What is rule number 2? Formula 2 is integration of ax plus b raised to the power n dx. Like if I am changing this x with any linear function, like linear function f, if I am going to change it, then what will be the integration? In this linear function f is, this is like ax plus b. And what is a? A, b and n are real numbers where a cannot be 0 and n cannot be minus 1. These two conditions are there. Then the integration will be ax plus b raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and we will divide it with the differentiation of ax plus b. Like the chain rule. Recall the chain rule of the differentiation. What we'll do there? If you are going to find the differentiation of ax plus b raised to the power n differentiation, then you do n ax plus b raised to the power n minus 1, and you multiply with the differentiation of ax plus b. This is the chain rule for differentiation. And what we are doing here in the integration? In integration, ax plus b raised to the power n into dx. It is important to write dx in every integral. Ax plus b is raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into differentiation of ax plus b plus me. So now take few more examples to understand it more. For example, I'm taking example 1. Suppose you need to find integration of 2x plus 5 raised to the power 4 into dx. So now you know what is the formula. So its solution will be 2x plus 5 raised to the power 5 upon 5 into differentiation of 2x plus 5. That is 2 plus with c. So your answer will be 2x plus 5 raised to the power 5 upon 10 plus 3. So it's very easy. Yes. Let us take one more example. If you are going to find the integration of 2x plus root 3, suppose, raised to the power minus 2 into dx. Minus 1, we cannot take minus 1 power. Then integration will change. So what will be the integration? Here integration will be 2x plus root 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 अपॉन माइनस 2 प्लस 1. ये हमने इंक्रीज्ड पावर से डिवाइड किया और इनटू हम नीचे डिवाइड करेंगे डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 2x प्लस रूट 3 प्लस c. So what is the answer? 2x plus root 3 raised to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 into differentiation is 2 plus में c, or you can write it as minus 1 by 2 2x plus root 3 plus में c. This will be your answer. I hope आपको यहाँ तक you are very much clear how to find the integration of x raised to the power n, ax plus b raised to the power n. So in today's video, we are going to finish up till here. Stay tuned in for the next video. Till then, keep learning, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and see you soon.